Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix games that aren't fitting your screen properly in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and Steam fully loads, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Library to access your complete game collection. This is where all your installed and available games are displayed, making it easy to manage them. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Locate the specific game that's having the screen fitting issue. Once you've found it, right-click on the game title. This will bring up a context menu with various options for managing that particular game. From this menu, look for and click on Properties. This opens a dedicated window where you can adjust various settings specific to this game. In the Properties window that appears, you'll see several tabs and options. Look for the section labeled Launch Options. This is a powerful feature that lets you add specific commands that Steam will execute every time you start the game. Below the Launch Options label, you'll notice an empty text field. Click on this text field to activate it, and then type "full screen." This command forces the game to launch in proper full screen mode, which often resolves screen fitting issues right away. After entering the launch option, close the Properties window by clicking the X button or simply clicking outside of it. Now go ahead and launch your game normally by clicking the play button. The game should now start with the full screen command applied, and in most cases, this will fix the screen fitting problem immediately. However, if the issue persists and your game still doesn't fit the screen correctly, don't worry, there's another solution you can try. Go back and repeat the same process by right-clicking on the game, selecting Properties, and finding the Launch Options field again. This time, clear out the previous command and type -w space 1920 space -h space 1080. This command specifically sets your game's resolution to 1920 by 1080, which is the standard full HD resolution that works for most monitors. This manual resolution override often solves stubborn screen fitting issues that the basic full screen command couldn't fix. And that's it, you've successfully fixed your game's screen fitting issue using Steam's launch options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.